All right, grab your sample, bring it back up. I'm gonna spill it.
Stainless steel water sampler. Precision tool designed for liquid sampling in various applications. Whether you need to collect water, industrial liquids, or chemical substances. Telescopic. Ranging from 0.6 m to 1.5 m. Our lightweight and durable stainless steel water sampling dipper system rod ensures you reach those tricky spots without sweat.
It comes with the stretchable area that you don't have to expose yourself to the stuff. You just grab your sample, bring it back up without spilling anything. It's very durable, if you guys can see that. And then if you want to just pour it down, simple as that, all right? Now, stretchable, grab your sample, bring it back up, and there it is. Very simple. Now, we want to spill it. You can't spin it. You can't spin it. Look at this. I'm spinning it, and I can't do anything about it until I actually bring it here. Hold it down tight. Let it go.